Hey there, artist! Get ready to create amazing paint pouring masterpieces you'll be proud to show off. Inside, you'll find everything you need to create amazing paint pouring art. 3 artboards, 7 bottles of paint, a collapsible mixing cup, silicone oil, a design chain, straws, gloves, craft sticks, and tablecloths. Let's get set up. Cover your table with a tablecloth, slip on your gloves, and place an artboard in the center. Remember, you've got 3 boards, so you can paint them all now, share with friends, or save some for later. Now for the fun part, pouring. There are tons of ways to do it. In this video, we'll explain how to do 3 easy techniques: flip and pour, puddle pour, and dirty pour. First, let's check out the flip and pour technique. Get your silicone cup and pour in your colors one at a time down the side. Layer as many as you like. Remember, the first color you pour usually shows up the most. Next, place your board on top of the cup, flip them over together, and lift the cup slowly. Watch the paint flow out. It's so satisfying. Your silicone cup is collapsible, so be gentle when pressing down. Then, tilt your board gently to spread the paint around. If the edges need help, just use the straw to blow the paint into place. Next, let's try a puddle pour. Pour small amounts of different colors right on top of each other, directly onto the board. Once you've got your puddle, tilt the board slowly to spread it out. And use your straw to move the paint where you want it. Lastly, we'll show you the dirty pour technique. Layer your paints in the silicone cup, one color on top of the other, but don't mix them. Then, pour it all onto your board however you like. Tilt the board to let the colors flow and spread, and as usual, use the straw to guide the paint to the edges. Paint pouring is bold, messy, and always a surprise. Next, let's talk about some special effects you can use to take your painting up a notch. We'll go through them one by one using the tools included in your kit: silicone oil, straws, and the design chain. First, use the silicone oil to create marbled effects. Here's how to do it. Pour your first paint color into the silicone cup. Add 1 to 2 drops of silicone oil. Mix it well with your wooden stick. Keep adding the rest of your colors as usual, either into the cup for flip and pour, or right onto the board for puddle pour. You can also drip a little oil on top of your wet paint after pouring, but mixing it in ahead of time gives you more control. Next, let's talk some more about blowing with the straw. Blow the paint around using the straw. Use short puffs to make ripples or long blows to stretch and swirl the paint. Finally, here's how to use the design chain to create amazing effects. Lay the chain across wet paint and pull it gently to make loops and waves. You can also dip it in paint first and drag it across for bold, colorful lines. Just remember to wipe it clean between tries. Once you're happy with your design, let it dry flat for 24 to 48 hours. Cleanup is quick and simple. Roll up the tablecloth with your gloves, straws, and messy supplies inside, then toss it out. Done! That's cleanup in no time at all. And that's it! You've made your very own paint pouring masterpiece. If you had a blast making this, check out all paint pouring craft kits from Purple Ladybug. Shop now and keep creating amazing art, one pour at a time.